So we'll be solving questions from network theory. This is the first chapter for GATE syllabus. Okay, so this is GATE syllabus. We'll be doing chapter 1.1. So I'll be picking a few questions from here, okay, which is basic concepts. So let's pick our first problem. So I am solving this problem from book RK Kanodia. Okay, so here is the circuit. The question is that we need to figure out the potential drop or voltage across this. So this is the question. Try to find the V1 here. Okay. Now, so there are too many voltage sources here. You might get confused. The simplest way to deal with this is use the principle of superposition. So we'll be using principle of superposition. Okay. Basically, what it means that we will keep one source at a time and then solve the circuit. Okay, so since there are 4 sources, we'll have to do this 4 times, and whatever will be the potential drop across this, we will just add it up. So that's why the principle of superposition. So let's assume that this 7 volt, 6 volt, 5 volts are not there, right? Then what is going to happen? Only this 8 volt source is there. So this point A, let's say node A, and since these two are not there, basically this voltage has to be replaced with 0. Basically this will be sorted. So this A point and let's say this B point are sorted because these voltage sources are not there. And again this 5 volt is also not there. So this point is also sorted, right? So A, B, C are basically becomes the same point. And if they are at the same potential, there is no current going to flow from this. And hence there will be no potential drop. So basically this 8 volt has no contribution in the potential drop here, right? So first part is done. Now assume that there is this 7 volt source here only. So if this 7 volt source is there and this 6 volt is not there, then this will be also sorted, right? So this will also become point B, right? Because these are sorted now. And also 5 volt source is not there, so this is also sorted, right? So this, if B and C are sorted here, then this resistance will have no effect, right? So this will be like connected like this, right? So what will be the potential drop across? So 7 volt is directly applied here, okay? So this is, so V1, first of all, because of 8 volt there was no contribution, 0, and because of the 7 volt we have 7 volt contribution. Similarly, let's do it for the 6th volt, this one, right? This source. Again, B and A would be sorted because this if you remove. So B and A are the same points. Let's draw the circuit, how it looks. So we have this 6 volt source and which is connected to B. This is not there, right? And this we have 1 kilo ohm. And from here we have, okay, so 5 volt source is not there, so this is also connected like this, right? So basically 6 volt will be falling on this, correct? And let's now do it for the 5th volt, this one. Remove all these sources. So what will be the circuit looking like? 5 volt. B and A will be sorted all through. And this is the resistance, right? So 5 volt is falling, but it's falling in the opposite direction, right? So here -5. So this is equivalent to 8 volt. So that will be the